Do you love owls? Today we're drawing a super cute owl step by step. It's so easy, anyone can do it. Grab your colors and let's get started.
BooBoo!
Great job! We finished drawing the owl. Now it's time for the fun part. Coloring! Let's bring our owl to life with bright and happy colors. All right, friends, our owl is ready. Time for some magic. Let's add the glitter. Let it shine and sparkle. Wow, your owl looks amazing. Great job, my little artist. See you next time for another fun drawing adventure. Bye-bye, friends.